Your VanCraft living space is designed to easily convert from daytime to nighttime mode with flexible sleeping and seating configurations based on your model. In this episode, we'll show you how to set up your bed platform, install the bunk system, and use your table, and understand the sleeping capacities in your van. Your van's seating and sleeping capacity varies slightly by model. The Waypoint seats 4 passengers, 2 in the front and 2 in the back bench. It sleeps 2 adults and is flexible with small children. You can sleep an additional adult with the Luno mattress in the front. The Waypoint XL and the Altera seat 6 passengers, 2 in the front, 2 on the side bench, and 2 in the back bench. They sleep up to 4 adults with the bed bench extension installed and an additional adult with the Luno mattress in the front. To convert your Altera or Waypoint XL into extra sleeping areas, you must do the following. Fold up the bench back to extend the sleeping area of the back bed. The recommended sleeping position is to place your head towards the rear of the vehicle and your heels resting on the bench back extension. The L bench offers an additional sleeping surface for children or an adult up to 6 feet tall. We offer an optional bench to bed conversion kit for the L bench area to elevate your sleeping space to fit 4 people total in the back of the van. To set up the bed bench conversion in the rear bench area of the van, start by installing your cross members to support the bench bed extension. Unfold the bench bed extension onto the cross members so that it lays flat and there are no seams between the 2 cushions. Next, put your bedding down and enjoy. Your van comes equipped with a Lagun Table, a versatile option for dining, working, or hanging out. Insert the table into its mounting base when ready to use. It swings into position easily. Adjust height and angle as needed. Always stow the table in its secure position behind the driver's seat to prevent damage or movement. Remember some of these quick tips for packing your van. Keep bedding stored in the bench seat for easy access. Use lightweight sheets and duvets so that they pack small. Add a mattress topper if you prefer a softer sleep surface. Open a window or turn on the fan before bed to allow airflow to prevent condensation. That's your guide to converting your VanCraft into a cozy sleeping and living space. With just a few quick steps, your cabin transforms into a place to relax, sleep, or dine, whether you're off-grid or parked for the night. If this guide didn't help you, don't worry, our customer support team is here to help you. Just give us a call at 1-385-515-0948, or you can email us at support@van-craft.com.